Okay, good morning kids. Today we are going welcome to the Toefl class. Yes, and today we are going to work with the reading expression questions that are the questions that I send you to work. I send you to work, yes, on them from page 144 to 54, something like that. Okay. The first thing that we're going to study this one is the kind of questions that you are going to face. In these kind of questions, you have to find the mistakes that they have on it. Okay. So the questions 16 through 40 in the structure of reading expression sections of the Toefl test examine your knowledge of the correct way to express yourself in English writing. So in this case, you have in each question in these sections consists of one sentence in which 4 words or groups of words have been underlined. You must choose the letter of the word of the group that is not correct. There is a mistake there, so you have to find where it is. The strategies for reading expressions questions are the following. Okay? First, look at the underlined word of group of words. So you want to see if you can spot which of the 4 answers choices is not correct. Second, if you are not able to do it at first, you have to do the following thing. If you have been unable to find the error by looking one of the 4 underlined expressions, then read the complete sentence. Often an underlined expression is incorrect because of something in another part of the sentence. 3. Never leave any answers blank. So be sure to answer each question even if you are unsure of correct response. So when it is in blank, you are going to be penalized. So you have to pay attention to those things, right? Okay. So what are the 3 strategies? First, look at the underlined word of groups of words. Second, if you have been unable to find the error by looking only one of the 4 underlined expressions, then read the complete sentence. Never leave any answer blank. That's the third one. Okay? In your book, you are going to find the skill number 1, that is that problems with the subject-verb agreement. So you have to pay attention. If something is plural, you put the verb in plural. What is the verb in plural in simple present tense? You don't add s. You never add s. If the subject is singular, you add s, es, or ies in simple present tense. Is what you're going to call third person rule. Okay. So you have to pay attention when sometimes the subject, you have to recognize the subject there. So you make verbs agree after prepositional phrases. What happens? Sometimes the subject has a prepositional phrase there. For example, the key in the drawer, the keys in the drawer, on the drawer, are on the mirror, or something like that. Okay, so pay attention. You are talking about the keys, not drawer. Okay. Other thing, make verbs agree after expressions of quantity. For example, we have all, most, or some. Can be singular or plural depending on follows the preposition. Example, all of the book is singular or plural? Singular, so the verb is plural. Was interesting. All of the books, singular or plural? Plural. The verb goes in plural. Were interesting. All of the information, singular or plural? Information is uncomfortable, so it means that it is singular. So the verb goes in singular. Was interesting. Okay? Okay, if you check the skill 22, make inverted verb agree. So remember subject-verb agreement. But what happens? Sometimes we have a inverted order. For example, yes, when you see that sometimes in English the subject comes after the verb, this can occur after questions words, yes, after place expressions, after negative expressions, after omitted conditionals, and after some comparisons. When the subject and the verb are inverted, it can be difficult to locate them, so it can therefore be a problem to make them agree. So we started this one on the skill 17, 15, 18, 19. Yes? Pay attention to this. One example of this is, for example, behind the house was the bicycles I wanted. What is the correct one? Behind the houses were the bicycle I wanted. Okay. In the first example, it is easy to think that the house is the subject. No. Okay? The house is not the subject is the bicycle. So, if the bicycles, you're talking about plural, you use were. If you're talking about singular, you use was. Pay attention to this. Okay, skill 23. Make verbs agree after certain verbs. Pay attention. Certain words and verbs in English are always grammatically singular, even though they might have plural meanings. For example, everybody is yes, okay? Everybody is singular and requires singular verb because everybody is doing the thing, right? Okay? It's not plural. Okay, there is a chart that they show you which ones are singular or plural. Yes? The singular most singular grammatical expressions are singular. Anybody, anyone, anything, everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, no one, nothing, somebody, someone, something, each or every. Okay? So pay attention to this. Okay, so problems with parallel structure. What is a parallel structure, guys? So in good English, an attempt should be made to make the language as even a balance as possible. This balance is called parallel structure. So you can achieve parallel structure by making the forms of words as similar as possible. The following is an example of a sentence that is not parallel. I like to sing and dancing. No. I like to sing and to dance, sorry. Okay? So, you have like, infinitive. You have to put like, infinitive, and to dance, right? Okay? Or, I like singing, yes, ing, and dancing, ing. It has to be parallel, okay? Okay, skill 24, use parallel structure with coordinate conjunctions. Which are coordinate conjunctions? Okay, coordinate conjunctions are and, but, or, either. Yes, okay, and, but, or either. Yes, they join together equal expressions. In other words, what is one side of these words must be parallel to one of the other side. Yes, okay. I need to talk to a manager or the assistant manager. She is not a teacher but a lawyer. So occupation, noun. Okay. You can choose from the activities as hiking and skiing. ing, right? So it has to be in parallel structure. Pay attention. Okay, basically is what do you have to work in these pages, right? Okay, subject-verb agreement and parallel structure. So pay attention to this, right? Okay, guys, thank you very much for your attention today. Bye.